not talked to a camera in so long, I forgot how to do it. Hey y'all, I'm Deanna. If you're new here, hey. If you're returning, welcome back. This video, as you can tell by the cover, I'm going to be installing this hair that I got from Nadula. This is their, I think it's like a 24-inch curly glueless wig. So this is what the wig looks like. It has their pre-cut lace. So as you can see right here, the lace is already cut off. So if you suck at cutting lace like I do, you don't have to worry about that. The wig, this is I think a 5x5 closure, so this is as wide as it is. I did bleach the knots. This is what the combs look like. It comes with an elastic band. It also has this comb at the back here. And then I love the type of wigs that have like this, I don't even know what you call it, but like it's this like rubbery thing like around the perimeter of the wig that helps it like not slide, especially since this is supposed to be a glueless wig. You definitely want everything that you can get to make the wig secure. So this is what the front of the hairline looks like this. I didn't pluck it or anything. I decided I didn't want to pluck the wig this time. Like we're gonna wear it as is, okay? And so this is what the wig itself looks like. This is like the curl pattern here. And then so this is the box that the hair came in. I'm just gonna do a quick little unboxing. What I like about Nadula is that they give you, they give you dust bags for your hair. That is important because some hair companies don't. And I need a place to store my wig, right? This is a robe. It's kind of like this one here, but it's just a gold robe and it says Nadula. It's really cute. They give you a wig band. I have a wig cap, the thin kind. And then also it's a bag here with more goodies, including lashes, another wig band, another, what do you call that? Wig cap, and then a brush. So that's what comes in the bag. And now let's go ahead and get to installing the hair. So I always start with like my little bonnet on. I guess because like I'm ashamed to start the video like this, even though I could just start the video like this because I wind up taking it off anyway. But I just feel like doing the unboxing like with the wig cap on is cuter. But anyways, there's that. So my hair is already braided, kind of. It's like in some weird little chunky matted braids. It's not matted, but like just some crazy braids. I even still got the string in the back from when I had sewed down this last wig I was doing, but I'm not redoing these braids because I don't feel like it, okay? So I'm just gonna take the wig cap that they sent, this little thin little wig cap, I'm just gonna put it on like this, and then I like to pull it back so it like smooths out my hair in the front. You can like use gel if you want to like smooth back your edges, but because this is like a closure wig, I think I'm gonna wind up leaving some of my edges out on the sides, so I don't want to like gel them back. So I'm just gonna leave it like this. I need more of this makeup. This is my true color. As many times as I use it, this is the True Color Black Opal makeup. I got this from Walmart. Pore Perfecting Powder. Only reason why I got this makeup is because it's like a cream, because it's a cream foundation. And I just feel like it will work better. So anyways, I'm just putting this all over the wig cap in the front. And this is probably not even necessary, honestly, truly, but just in case. It is a closure wig, so it's not like a frontal, so I don't have to like do it wide like this, but I just want to color the wig cap so it looks a little bit more like my complexion. They need to start making darker wig caps. I think they do, but whatever. It don't look nothing like my complexion, y'all, but whatever. It is what it is. All right, there's that. So next I'm taking my lace tint that I always use. It's in the color dark brown. This is Magic Tanning. It's the brand, but I got this from the beauty supply store. So I'm just gonna spray the inside of the wig with this. I did bleach the knots, but I tried not to over bleach it. So that's why I wanna go in with this. I'll just say, like, I hate spraying this because the powder gets everywhere and I don't like to inhale it. So if you see me like duck, it's because I'm trying not to breathe in this lace tint because ain't no telling what's in here. Usually I hate that. Usually, honestly, I blow dry it to get it like away from my face. I really don't blow dry it to like set it in place. Because honestly, I don't even think you have to. Directions: shake, spray, let air dry. Oh, it says, or you may blow dry. Okay, so you can blow dry it. I don't blow dry it because the bottle says to. I blow dry it to get the little mist out of my face because it tastes like you're eating makeup and it's not a good time. So this is the elastic band that they put on here. I honestly don't like to use elastic bands because I feel like it's too much for me. I don't need all that. But if you want to use elastic band, by all means, be my guest. Okay, y'all. This is so annoying. Dude, come off. I don't need you. I can see it getting stuck too. You are wasting my valuable disk space on my memory card. Okay, so honestly, I wound up cutting it off because I'm impatient. So now I'm just gonna slide the wig on like this and make sure it's centered because that was not. And I'm gonna put the comb in the back, pull it forward. I usually like my ears. Oh, perfect. I like when wigs naturally fit behind my ears and I don't have to do anything to it. But if a wig ever comes past my ear and it's like a closure wig and it's like thick like this on the side, best believe I'm still cutting it, okay? Because I need the wig to fit behind my ear. I need it to be comfortable. I don't like things sitting on top of my ear. That's just not natural for me and it just feels weird. So anyways, this is the wig on my head. And so I just wanna test how sturdy it is. Mind you, I took the wig band off. So this is the wig with just the little clip in the back and nothing else really in the little band. So this is, you know, okay. Woo, woo. Give it a little. Okay, so it's kind of, oh, I'm dizzy. It's sturdy. Okay, that's okay. Great. That's what we like to see. So now the next thing that I'm going to be doing is my edges. Honestly, baby hair is completely optional with this kind of wig, but I am opting to do baby hair. So now I'm just gonna take my Eco gel and my edge brush and I'm just gonna swoop my edges. Period, because that's better. So I'm gonna take the little edge thingy that they give you and I'm gonna wrap my edges to hold them down. Probably should do it on this side. And while this is setting, I'm going to style these curls because ain't nobody walking out the house like this. This is pretty thick hair. So I'm gonna just put this into sections to make my life easier. I'm gonna do this half up, half down, and I'm gonna split the back in half. And now I'm just using water and I'm using my Cream of Nature Pure Honey Shrinkage Defense Curl Activator for dry, dehydrated hair. Pure honey, rich coconut oil, creamy shea butter. This. So honestly, truly, I bought this for my natural hair and then started using it on weave. Go figure. I don't use it on my natural hair anymore, but whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna drench this like really well and use my fingers to massage the water through. And then I'm just gonna use like a small little dollop of this. I don't want to make the hair too greasy or too heavy or anything, so I'm just gonna put this on and spray on some more water. And then take my little brush here and just curl and brush through these curls. Now, before I take this little headband off, I'm going to use my wax stick and my Got To Be Free spray. And I'm just going to like tighten up the perimeter, meaning like lay this down. I think I'm going to flatten this a little bit at the top, even though you don't have to. I'm just gonna do it anyway. Alright y'all, so I'm so sorry and the difference in camera quality. My camera died because it overheated, so I had to finish from my phone. So this is the curls, this is the side, in the back. And that's it. I like this wig. Like, it's really cute, it's simple, easy to put on. You don't have to be a professional. I'm not a professional. I literally just slid the wig on my head, cut my edges, put some water on the curls, flatten this a little bit, and that's it. So, very simple to install. So, I mean, you watched me install the whole thing, so you know it's glueless, but you know, for the ones in the back, I'm gonna mess up my edges for you. This is me lifting it. Ugh, and my edges, I just messed it up, but yeah. So, I mean, it's glueless, clearly, right? But anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Any questions, comments, concerns, whatever, leave it in the description box below. Not in the description box, in the comment section. Leave it in the comment section below. I will get back to you. Yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Adios, till next time.